So this morning I built a Lichtenberg machine out of an old microwave transformer. Got everything wired up. I suggest you don't do this at home, so I'm not going to go into how it's wired. But what it's used for is for wood burning. Mix some water, mix some baking soda, plug it in, make sure that you've got some type of switched power source. And we're going to see how this comes out. Throw the switch. This is supposed to work better on higher quality wood. Wet, water and baking soda, and primarily used for making lightning type burns and tree patterns, things like that for woodworking. And this is all trial and error. The reason we use scrap wood to do this. There's a really cool pattern developing right there. And turn it off. Let that dry, sand out the char marks, wipe the char out of it. We're going to unplug for safety reasons. Disconnect. And I'll show you a pattern that we came up with a few minutes ago. After a little sanding, wiping out the charring, that's what we come out with. Pretty cool. It's going to look really neat, varnished up, used for different projects. Larger, heavier piece of wood, plywood, not pressed particle board, but a good heavy, tight grain plywood. Thanks for joining me today. Have a great one.